half month of this salary, your recent salary, into your completed month of service. Amount of whatever we are calculating, this is a gratuity we are calculating. 50,000 divided by 2, because we have to take what? Only half. A warm welcome to one and all. This is your ALsir here, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. And now we are in the unit 3 of your topic called retirement benefit. It is a small unit actually. In the small unit, we talk about the gratuity. The gratuity means what? Your pension means what? All this after retirement, whatever benefits you will get, on that what will be the tax calculation? What is the maximum limit you have for your pension, gratuity and all? Everything we will discuss in today's session. Now, your problems on retirement benefit, and today mainly we concentrate on your gratuity part. And in this, the concept is very simple. I don't go in depth now. Later, next session, I'll go in the depth. This session, it is only about introducing what is your retirement benefit. First, we'll go with your gratuity. Now, under gratuity, what happens? Remember, up to 20 lakh of your gratuity are half month of this salary, your recent salary, into your completed month of service, year of service. If you have completed 10 years means for every 10 years, your half month salary will be multiplied. Just assume that your salary is 20,000. Half month salary is how much? 10,000. So it will be what? 10,000. So it will be what? 20,000. So 10,000 into 10, it will be 1 lakh. Your 1 lakh are actual, your limit are actual gratuity received. Whichever is least will be considered as exemption. Again, I'll repeat, 20 lakh is the limit. Our half month salary for completed year of service, our actual gratuity received. Whichever is least, we call it as your gratuity exemption. Now, if you go as per this, I'll go with the small problem, you will understand better. Sitaram was an employee in company which is not covered by the payment of Gratuity Act. So, which is not covered under Gratuity Act. Now, the following particulars are available regarding his income for the year ending 31st March 2020. Now, salary is 47,000 per month. What is the salary here? 47,000 per month is the salary. Now, dearness allowance is 3,000 per month. Now, when the year ending 31st March. Now, the terms of employment, he retired from service on 1/1/2020. 1st January, he retired. How many months he worked? Again, come back. He worked for around, if it starts from April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January 1st, he left means he worked for 9 months. He worked for 9 months. Now, after this, after 32 years of completed service and received a pension of 25,000 per month. So his recent salary will be what? He was getting 25,000 per month as his pension. And gratuity of 8,20,000. We have to calculate this only. I'll show you what will be your calculation. He also received 4 lakh from the unrecognized provident fund, PF. He was a member. We can assume that out of 4 lakh, half is given by employer, half is contributed by employee, means worker itself. Then half we can, whatever contributed by employer are taxable and whatever contributed by worker himself is non-taxable. Now, compute the taxable income under the head salary of Mr. Sita. Ram, for the assessment year 2021, assuming that salary is due on the last day of each month. Hope you are clear. Yes. Now, computation of taxable salary. Salary for 9 months. I'll go back to question. What is the salary he received? 47,000. It will be 47,000 multiplied with 9 months. So what is his salary? His salary 4,23,000. Then DNS allowance for 9 months. What is the DNS allowance he received? He received 3,000 per month as DNS allowance. So it will be 3,000 multiplied with 9. It is 27,000. Hope you are clear. Yes. Then after up to December, he was receiving salary. He was receiving DNS allowances. Once he done with December, Jan, Feb, March, he collected pension. What is the pension he collected? 25,000 per month. So pension will be 25,000 multiplied with 3. So it will be how much? 75,000 is his pension. Now, then we have to calculate gratuity. Gratuity is how come 20,000? I'll show you the calculation. See, amount of whatever we are calculating, there is a gratuity we are calculating. Now, amount of taxable gratuity. First one, rupees 20 lakh. That is a basic exemption. Up to 20 lakh of your gratuity is exempted. If your receipt is more than 20 lakh, up to 20 lakh you can take it as an exemption. Now, half month salary for each completed year of service. Now, 25,000 into 32. How come it is 25,000? Why not it is 47? I'll show you. His salary is how much? His salary is 47. What is his DNS allowance? 3. 47,000 plus 3,000. His total salary 50,000. Before he retires, what was his salary? 50,000. 50,000 divided by 2. Because we have to take what? Only half. So we should consider how much? 25,000. Hope you are clear. Half salary of recently he received. Now, 25,000 he was received. How many years he completed? 32. Into 32, it will be 8 lakh. Hope you are clear. Your 32 into 25,000, we call it as 8 lakh. Now, 8 lakh we got. Amount of gratuity received is 8,20,000. Hope any doubt? No doubt. So we got answer of 8,20,000. Now, 8,20,000 we got, whichever is less. See, the maximum limit is 20 lakh. And as per your calculation, it is 8 lakh. And how much it is received? 8,20,000. Whichever is less. Whether 20 lakh is less or 8 lakh, your calculation is less, or 8,20,000 is less. Which is less? 8 lakh is less. In this, your answer, you got 8 lakh. Your gratuity is 8,20,000 minus 8 lakh. I got answer of 20,000. Hope you are clear. Yes, I got answer of 20,000. That is your gratuity received. Now, assuming that it is 8,20,000 minus 80, 20,000 we already got. Then employer's contribution and interest. Now, this also I told you why it is 2 lakh means actual PF collected 4 lakh. We assume that half is collected by employer. So everywhere half given by employer, half given by employee. So we can go with an assumption. It is not that you should take. We can go with an assumption. Half is paid by employer. Now, your employer, this will be what? Your 4 lakh divided by 2, this will be 2 lakh. What is your total? 7 lakh 45. 4 lakh 23 plus 27, it will be 4 lakh 50 plus 75, 5 lakh 25 plus 20, 5 lakh 45. 5 lakh 45 plus 2 lakh, 7 lakh 45. 7 lakh 45 minus 50, you got answer of 6 lakh 95. Why it is 50,000? You know that we have a standard deduction. If you are a salaried employee, you will get a standard deduction of 50,000. Now, 7 lakh 45 minus 50, your income from salary is 6 lakh 95,000. Hope you are clear. Yes, good. Now I'll go back to all the slides so that you will understand better. So this is your problem number 1. This is your solution part. These are the working note what we made. So this is all about your today's session. Hope you understood. So this is your gratuity part. In the next session, we'll go in detail. I'll explain you what is pension, what is gratuity and all, so that you will understand better. These are your employment benefit and these are only your 10-mark questions. Thank you.